In today's video, we will discuss how to take a right turn and then change lanes to the left. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes and follow their instructions. You can clearly see the traffic on the road. As we need to take a right turn, pay attention to the signboard and the road markings. As you can see, you can either go straight or turn right. As you move forward, a new lane starts here, so you should change lanes from this point. If you are a student, change lanes early. Do not touch this solid line. Pay attention to the pedestrian crossing. Do not touch this solid line. Also, pay attention to the vehicles in this lane. Take a look at this signboard. Now you need to change lane. Change lane to the left. Again, change lane to the left. Always pay attention to the road markings and signboards. Make sure you understand all of these points during your road practice sessions. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and practice them with your instructor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.